Greetings, everyone. This is Dave with Mighty Line Minute, and I'm here in Akron, Ohio at a B2B conference, and we've got a special guest today with photochemical machining. So I'm really pleased to introduce Mr. Paul Richards, who's going to talk to us about what they do with metal machining. What are you doing there, Paul?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. So what's new in your business? What's there that everyone needs to know?
Well, photo etching has been around since they were building the pyramids. We were actually making jewelry back then. 150 years ago, Eastman Kodak came up with the photographic part that allows us now to make very detailed, intricate, tight tolerance parts. And all different alloys of metal. Titanium, tungsten, molybdenum, zirconium, stainless steel, beryllium, copper, all kinds of different alloys of metal.
You've got some really cool stuff here. I'll just show the folks what you've got on display. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about some of your customers.
It's all over the board. Some of it is artistic, some of it's mechanical. And then we have parts in the space station, stuff in some of the satellites, the solar probe that's going in and out of the sun, to giant titanium grids that are cooling the solar panels on the outside. We do custom-made earrings. It goes to aerospace, military, all kinds of different parts.
So everything from art corums to the space shuttle to whatever anyone needs. It seems like you've got the full product line. Look at what's on the table here. It's just amazing what's being done. What's going to be your big project for 2025?
Keeping the business going. Right now it's tight.
Are you the premier individual and company in this space?
I am now. My father started the business in '69, turning it into an issue company totally in '77. It's now me and my son run it.
Well, if you're back from the '69 era, I'll bet you're one of those who love some good music as well.
Oh yeah, lots of concerts.
Clapton by any chance?
Yes.
Lifetimes. Awesome. So we got a Clapton lover here. Everyone, spend some time learning more about this company. You're going to want to know all that you can about photochemical manufacturing, this machining company that is stellar in its space. PCM Products Inc. of Titusville, Florida, leaders in photochemical manufacturing and machining. Take care, and thanks for taking time with us today on Mighty Line Minute.